Every year, millions of people work hard, earn a decent income, and yet end up wondering the same thing: where did all my money go? You see the numbers on your payslip, but by the time taxes are deducted, the amount that actually lands in your bank account feels disappointingly small. For years, I thought taxes were something I couldn't control, a giant, untouchable system that just took what it wanted. But then I learned a secret that completely changed how I manage my money. The wealthy don't avoid taxes illegally, they understand how to use the law to their advantage. They play by the same rules, but they know which rules matter. Today, I'm going to share with you the exact legal tax hacks that can save you thousands every single year. No loopholes, no shady tricks. Just smart, fully legal ways to keep more of what you earn and use the system to your benefit instead of against you. Step 1. Understand how taxes really work. The first step to saving thousands in taxes is understanding how the system actually works. Most people only focus on how much they earn, but the government taxes your income based on how you earn it. There are 3 types of income. Earned income, from your job or salary. Portfolio income, from investments like stocks or dividends. Passive income, from real estate, royalties, or businesses you own. Here's the truth: not all income is taxed equally. The more you rely solely on earned income, the higher your taxes usually are. But if you shift your focus toward portfolio and passive income, the law rewards you with lower rates, credits, and deductions. Once I understood this, it completely reshaped my financial strategy. I stopped trying to work harder for money and started working smarter with how I earned it. Step 2. Claim every deduction you deserve. One of the biggest mistakes people make is leaving money on the table by ignoring deductions. Deductions are like legal discounts on your taxes. They reduce your taxable income, meaning you pay less overall. Do you work from home? A portion of your rent, internet, and electricity could qualify as a home office deduction. Do you donate to charity? That's another deduction. Paying for higher education, medical bills, or even certain job-related expenses. You might qualify for those too. When I first learned this, I realized I had missed out on hundreds, maybe thousands of dollars in previous years simply because I didn't know. The key is documentation. Keep receipts, track expenses, and organize your records. Every little deduction adds up, and by the end of the year, those small savings can easily turn into a few thousand extra dollars in your pocket. Step 3. Use tax-advantaged accounts. This next hack is one of the smartest moves you can make. Use tax-advantaged accounts. These are special financial tools the government created to encourage saving for the future. For example, retirement accounts like 401k or IRA in the US allow you to invest money before it's taxed, reducing your taxable income today while building wealth for tomorrow. In many countries, similar plans exist that work the same way. Your money grows tax-free until you withdraw it. Then there are health savings accounts, HSA. They let you save money for medical expenses with tax-free contributions. And if you have children, education accounts like 529 plans or their equivalents help you invest for school expenses while avoiding taxes on growth. Think of these accounts as legal shields for your money. They protect your income from unnecessary taxation while allowing your savings to grow quietly in the background. Step 4. Turn everyday expenses into business deductions. Here's one of the most powerful legal tax hacks of all: start a small business or side hustle. You don't need a big company, just something legitimate that earns income. The moment you have a business, many of your everyday expenses can become tax deductible. Your phone? Deductible if you use it for business. Your internet? Deductible in proportion to your work usage. Driving for business? That mileage can be deducted too. Even part of your rent or mortgage can qualify if you have a home office. I remember the first year I started my small online business. I went from paying thousands in taxes to saving thousands, simply because I was now categorized as a business owner. The law recognizes that businesses create jobs and value, so they reward you for it. The takeaway? Don't just work for someone else's dream, build something small of your own and let the tax code work for you. Step 5. Invest smart. Let your money work and save taxes too. Investing isn't just a way to grow wealth, it's also one of the best ways to save on taxes legally. Many governments offer tax breaks for people who invest in businesses, housing, or stocks. For instance, when you hold investments for more than a year, your profits may qualify for lower capital gains tax rates compared to regular income. If you invest in retirement funds, you can defer or even eliminate certain taxes entirely. Real estate investors can use depreciation, a legal deduction that lets them write off the cost of their property over time, even as its value rises. And dividends from some stocks are taxed less than your salary, meaning you keep more of your money. The goal is simple: let your money earn money while using the tax system's rewards for investors to your benefit. Step 6. Plan ahead and file smart. Here's the golden rule: tax savings don't happen by accident, they happen by design. Don't wait until the end of the year to scramble through receipts. Plan early. Meet with a tax professional, learn about credits available in your country, and use tax planning tools to project what you'll owe. The rich don't just file taxes, they plan taxes. They make decisions throughout the year that reduce their liabilities long before filing season arrives. Even something as small as contributing to your retirement account before the deadline or adjusting your withholdings can save you hundreds or even thousands. The earlier you plan, the more control you have over your outcome. Here's what I've learned: taxes aren't meant to punish you, they're meant to guide behavior. The system actually rewards those who save, invest, and build value. The problem is most people never learn the rules. But now you know. You can claim your deductions, use the right accounts, start that side business, and plan like a professional. These small legal tax hacks can save you thousands every single year, money you can use to build your future, not just fund the system. The wealthy don't fear tax season, they prepare for it. And starting today, so can you. If this video opened your eyes to how taxes really work, don't keep it to yourself. Hit that like button, subscribe for more powerful financial lessons, and share this with a friend who needs to stop overpaying and start optimizing. Remember, financial freedom isn't just about making more money, it's about keeping more of it. Play smart, play legally, and let the system work for you, not against you.